like pink and purple, and I think that's the color I'm going to like cooking oil in it. And you can use these in the laundry area. It's a bit flimsy though, but let's see. I can just easily carry it around the house. Put this in the pantry. The simple things can elevate the look of your home. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trishina. On my channel I do home decoration and lifestyle content. If you're interested in those kind of content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul for 2025. All of the items that I got is only for $125, you guys, nothing over that. Most of the items that I got is for home essential, things that I use around the home on a cheaper budget, you know. So I'm doing this all just to show you guys that you can definitely get things from Dollar Tree only for $125. So let's get straight into the video. I have the bags them here with me right here, so I'm just gonna grab and then I just let you guys know what I got. So let's go. The first bag is going to be this one. As I said, I'm just gonna grab and go. So the first item is this. I'm not sure what it's called, but as you can see, it has the lid on top. I think I'm gonna put like mouthwash in it or something. I got two of them. I'm gonna put this in the kids' bathroom. It's like pink and purple, and I think that's the color I'm going with for their bathroom. So I'm gonna put these in their bathroom, but this is only $125, and it's so cute. It looked like a little crystal thing on top. The next item is this container. I think something spilled in the bag, so it's a bit sticky. But this is a container, and when I saw it, I'm like, perfect. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna put oil, like cooking oil in it. And you can open the lid like this, close it, and then press it down. And I think it's so perfect, like for oil or anything that you have around the home that you would like to put in a container. So this is very good that I'm going to use in the kitchen. All right, so the next item is this basket. Well, I would say tray. When I started, I'm like, this would be so good for my vanity. So I'm gonna put this in my vanity, put like my headbands in there or my hair tie in it. But I'm gonna definitely organize it, and that's gonna be a separate video. So I got this one, this size, and two of this size. So I'm gonna put them in the jar and kind of set it up, and then I'll show you guys in the next video though. But yes, this is all $125 each. The next item is going to be hanger. So I got these hangers for the kids' room, and this is like home essential. You always want to make sure you have enough hanger, which I didn't, but I got a few. So I got this one for the kids' closet, and then I got two of this set for my closet because I have black hangers, so I decided to pick up the black. But yeah, and this is like 7-piece, so I got two of them, and so that's like 14-piece. So it's very good, like that's a good deal. And right here I got this basket, which is the collapsible storage container. I got 4 of them. I'm gonna use these in the laundry area. And I feel like, you know, the laundry area, you need something up top just to organize the chemicals and the products and stuff like that. So I think this basket would work perfectly for that. So I got 4 of them. And I think these baskets are essential to have in your home. Like, it elevates the look of your home. It elevates any storage area that is within your home. So I would highly recommend for you guys to get this. I got this photo frame. So in the office makeover video, I'm going to put at least one frame on a shelf, and this is the color that I'm going with. I'm going for brown, I'm going for beige and cream. So I think this will incorporate very well. So I got one of this, and this is like an 8x10 picture frame. They do have different types of picture frame, different colors, textures, and also sizes. So I got this one 8x10, and you can definitely turn it horizontally or vertically. So that's good. Let's see the next item. All right, So this one is a sink mat. And when I start, I'm like, yeah, I'm going for the black. It has a little gray in it, but that's okay. So this is like a sink mat, like just in case you wash anything within your sink and you want it to dry in your sink, just place it inside of your sink and put whatever item on it, and it will definitely dry it, because it has some little studs at the bottom, so it gives that rise. So whenever you put anything on it, it will just dry immediately, or a few minutes. Okay, so the next item, this is a step shelf. So when I saw this, I'm like, yeah, this would be so good for the pantry. So I'm gonna put it in the pantry and then put, oh, it's a bit flimsy though, but let's see how it works. So I'm gonna put some canned food on there, and you know, so that I can have more space in the pantry. But I don't know, it's a bit flimsy a little bit, but I'm still gonna try it, and I'll definitely tell you guys if it works or not. But I think that this is a good tray or shelf to elevate or incorporate more space within your home. The next item is this tray. So this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it for cleaning. So I'm gonna put my cleaning products in here, put the sponge and the rag or my gloves, and I can just easily carry it around the house. So that is why I got this one, and I just feel like, you know, it will just motivate me more to even clean. So I'm gonna put the cleaning product here, and any little thing that I need while I'm cleaning the bathroom. I'm gonna mainly use this for both bathrooms. So, and it's black, of course. Only $1.25, you guys. All right. So the next item is going to be this liner. Guys, can you believe it that I got a similar liner, which is lesser, for $7 on Amazon, and it didn't have this much in it, and this is only $1.25. So when I started, I'm like, oh yes, this would be perfect, because in my makeover video I just got one liner and it wasn't enough. So I got 2 of them, and I'm gonna definitely put them in the cupboard in the kitchen, and I'll definitely show you guys how I do that in the next video though. So I got 2, and it's cream, perfect. Okay, so the next thing is this 6 outlet wall tap, and this is the back of it. So basically you can take one of your outlet within your home, plug it in. Instead of getting 2 outlets, you end up getting 6. So I find this very good. So I got this one. I'm gonna definitely put this in the kitchen, because sometimes whenever I'm using the blender, then I have other things plugging in like the kettle and stuff like that. I can just easily use this one, and then it will incorporate more outlets for the kitchen. So this is perfect. The next item is going to be this turnable. I'm gonna put this in the pantry, but you can definitely put this like in your linen closet or in any cupboard spaces. So, you know, say for example, you're looking for something, you can easily spin it, and then you can easily find what you're looking for. I'm gonna definitely get more for the linen closet, like whenever I'm doing that makeover, I'm gonna definitely get some more. And this is only for $1.25, you guys. So this was a good deal. But I'm gonna definitely put this in the pantry, because I need something like this in the pantry as of now. Next item that I got is candles. And the reason why I got these candles, well, those candles that you see over there, I got it from Dollar Tree. So I got these because I got these 2 candle holders. I'm not sure if it's candle holders, but in my mind, I'm saying it's candle holders. And I'm not sure if it can fit, but I'll make it fit. So let's see. All right. Oh, actually it fits. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that, you guys. So beautiful. And these items are only for $1.25. Amazing. And these little simple things can elevate the look of your home, just like that. So beautiful. So the next thing that I got is this acrylic soap holder. I just find it very cute. only for $125. So I'm gonna use this in the kids' bathroom because I already got the acrylic toothpaste and toothbrush holder. So I think that this will work perfectly in their bathroom. So this is what it's looking like. So beautiful. And I also got this container, which I'm gonna put like the pencils and pen and crayon in this. I just got one for now because I think one is good enough for now, just to put a little bit of crayon and pencil, because I don't like to put too much things out there at once, then they're gonna spill it all over the place. So this is so cute. So cute, you guys. So cute. All right. So this one is a removable hook. I just feel like this is always good to have in your home, like some hooks. So I'm gonna place this in the kids' bathroom, so I can hang their bag and stuff like that. But yeah, if you want to put this on your door, you can do so. If you want to hang anything around the home, it's always good to have some hooks or peel and stick hooks around the home. So I got this one only for $125. All right, so this was one of like the best item that I got because just see the vision. So I got this container along with this one in 2 different sizes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put Q-tip in this one for the bathroom, and then I'm gonna also put cotton pads in this one. And I just find it very cute because I'm gonna do like a bathroom makeover for the kids' bathroom real soon. So I'm just getting a few stuff for their bathroom from Dollar Tree, you guys. This is how it's looking. It's silver and it's clear. And just imagine when I put the Q-tip and also the cotton pads in these, it will be so cute. You're not gonna be able to tell that, oh, I paid $125 for this, okay? All right, so the next item that I'm so excited about is this little jar. So I got 3 of them. It's like a stackable organizing jar. So what I plan to do is just stack 3 of them. Is just stack 3 of them like this, and I'm gonna put it on my vanity. I'm gonna put like my earrings in here, any little items in here, and I just find it very cute, and it will also organize your space at the same time. All right, and the next item is this blue night light. I'm gonna put this like in the living room area because at night it gets so dark in here. So I'm gonna put this in the living room, and it's just simple and cute and look classy at the same time. And the next thing that I got is these hooks. So I'm gonna place this in the bathroom just to put like towels and stuff like that. All the items here that I got, it came up to about $35. And I got a lot of things, so you can definitely check out your Dollar Tree that is closest to you. Sometimes you can check out like a bigger Dollar Tree where you can find more items there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for the next video because in that video I'll be showing you guys how I incorporate these items into my home. So thank you guys so much for your time today. You have a wonderful day. Bye.